and I'm going to just do a ring pour, maybe ring, jiggle, no ribbons. I will not do ribbons, but I'm going to stretch it like crazy. So my colors, I'm going to be using that marvelous metallic copper, black, aqua green, this is a word combo, metallic white, and then I scraped up what was on the surface from that round one I just showed you and stirred it all together and came up with this kind of a purpley copper color. It's quite pretty. I'm just going to throw that in the mix as well. So that's going to be the order. Well, I'm putting that new color between the aqua and the white. And I'm just going to fill up a 5-ounce cup. And stretch it like crazy. And if it's not enough, then I'll add a little more. But I'm hoping that I can get by with just 5 ounces. So let's see. Now the copper can really, it seems to sink to the bottom, so I'm going to put it there to begin with. But I'm not putting a huge amount. Just because I don't want it to take over. I think it could take over. All right, then black. And this aqua green. And this color, I don't know what to call it. It's like a metallic plum, I guess you could say. It's so fun to mix colors, folks. And sometimes when you scrape up from the surface, you get some amazing colors. That's the metallic white. I expect it will kind of disappear here, but that's okay. It will just kind of lend a ghostly appearance to it. I'm going to pour a little more copper and black side by side. See how heavy that copper is. It's sinking down. Some of this. A little of this. And maybe we'll end with, I said I wasn't going to use much copper, but I am. And then I'm going to end with black. Drama. Okay. Close these babies up. Probably got a good little amount of that left. Okay, here we go. Wish me luck. There's the black and the turquoise and a little bit of the metallic white making an appearance. The same thing. Oh gosh, that's pretty. Same thing as happened last time. The copper is going to wait till the end. Here it is. There it is. Oh my gosh, that's pretty. And that metallic plum color I accidentally mixed is kind of wonderful. No ribbons. I have to remind myself, no ribbons. The only thing about these Artist Loft paints is that they tend to start setting up quickly, so you don't have a lot of open time to play with them. Okay, That'll move it around and see what we get. Oh, I see. I get a chunk. I see something in there I don't like. Can you hear the wind outside? It's super windy here today. Gusts up to 40 miles an hour. It often gets windy here in the afternoons. See how that copper is just kind of taking over. But it sank to the bottom, and then that was the last thing out. Yeah, it's often windy here in the afternoons, but this is pretty excessive today. Well, the Aqua really disappeared. Look at that. You'd never know that was in there. Let's see, another chunk of something. There's a little hint of blue over here, but looks like it mixed with this one. Wow, that copper, very, very strong. I'll have to remember that. I mean, like it, but it has taken over. Okay, I was a little skimpy on the paint, I will admit. But in stretching it, I'm really liking what's going on over here. But I may have to do something else to get full coverage here. Let's see. Just gonna end up with a big copper thing. What shall I do? I'm gonna fill this up and add, because, but with what? I think I'll use black. I don't know if it would look funny now to have that in there. I think I'll skip it. I think I'll go with this mix. And some of this metallic white. More black. Skip the copper. A little more of this. Or all of it. And now what? Well, I gotta bring it back to me so I can, I'm gonna pull this up to you so you can see this area. It's so pretty right there. Isn't that neat? Okay, what to do? That's where I fished that chunk out. I think I'll just pour it right here. Maybe I should do traveling for a little bit. Oh, I don't know. I don't know about that. Okay, well, see, as I'm moving this is barely moving because it's starting to sit up already. So that can be a good thing, but it can also be frustrating. Sorry you can't see what I'm doing, but I have to see it myself. That's very weird to me. Well, the black and the metallic white made almost a blue. I'm messing with the part that I liked so much, but I have to get more balance to this thing. All right, what have I done here?